Welcome back to our series on moving from United States to Spain with SDC International Shipping. Today, I want to talk about something that nearly every expat experiences: the moment Spain finally starts to feel like home. Many people assume it happens when they move into their apartment. Others think it's when their household shipment arrives, and some believe it's when they receive their residency documents. But for most Americans, it's something simpler. It's the relationships they build. It's the neighbor who says good morning. It's the cafe owner who remembers their order. The friends that they meet through work, language classes, or community events. These moments create a sense of belonging, and over time, they transform a foreign country into your home. The journey doesn't happen overnight, but it does happen. And that's one of the most rewarding parts of relocating to Spain. At SDC International Shipping, we're proud to help Americans begin their journey every day. From professional packing and international shipping to custom clearance and delivery. We make the relocation process as smooth as possible. If you're ready to start your move from the United States to Spain, visit our website or give us a call at 844-651-7050 to speak with a relocation specialist today.